Let me show you some tips for wearing your hair down with your baseball cap this summer without your hair looking like a mess. My first tip for wearing your hair down with your hat is to style your hair. This can be any type of styling you want. You could use a flat iron, you could curl your hair, you could do beach waves, or you can do like I am and add some bounce and smoothness with a thermal styling brush. It is often a mistake that people make of just throwing their hat on their messy hair and then wondering why their hair looks like a mess with a hat on. So don't skip styling your hair. Even if it's day 2 hair, throw a little bit of style in. A quick note about the brush I'm using. It is a thermal styling brush from Wavy Talk. It is not a blow dry brush. It does not blow hot air. It is just a round brush that plugs in and gets hot. It allows me to smooth and add some movement to the ends of my hair. It would actually curl your hair also if your hair was a bit longer, but mine's a bit short for curls. The one spot that I don't do as much worrying about is the top of my head, because obviously I'm going to be putting on a hat. So I worry more about the ends of the hair at the top as opposed to the actual top of my head. This styling should be something that is pretty quick and easy so that you're not having to spend a ton of time, but you really will feel like your hair looks a lot better with your hat on if you have taken the time to style your hair. So then I'm just going to brush my hair quickly. Don't be afraid to brush your hair a bit after you've styled it so you're not putting your hat on some tangles. And then the key is to brush your hair back out of your face a bit. Don't have it hanging in front of your face because your hat is going to push the hair forward when you put it on. Hold it at the back of your head and slide it down. It's still going to pull a little bit of hair in front of your face, but then you can go under and tuck that away as much as possible. I like to hold the brim of my hat and sort of just tuck my hair back, but in this case, I'm leaving it in front of my ears, and you can see it looks cute, looks pretty, looks much more styled. And if you don't like having your hair in front of your face, you can brush it back further and tuck it behind your ears. I like to kind of tilt my head back while I'm doing this just to get my hair to fall into place a little more easily. And then while I'm putting the hat on, I'm going to keep my head tilted back slightly so that it doesn't push my hair forward. I like to leave the hair covering the tips of my ears, but that is a little bit more pulled back. The third way I like to wear it with my hair down is to have it all pulled back still, but to pull a couple pieces out at the front, or if you had bangs, you could pull those out as well, keeping everything else brushed back. Tilt your head back, stick that hat on. And again, it might push some things forward, especially over the ears, but once your hat's on, you can go ahead and adjust, tucking the little bits of hair behind your ears a little bit more if you want it like that, or you can leave it covering your ears. It's all just personal preference. There really isn't a right or wrong way to do it. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps you wear your hat this summer. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next